Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will teach you how we're going to use the face detection using Python. In the last video, we have discussed how we're going to open and initialize camera. And this time, we're going to show it to you how we're going to detect face using Python. Now, I have made the codes a while ago and I named the code as detectfaces.py. Now, let's import our library. So this is import CV2. Next that we need is the our cascade frontal face default.xml. So this is our trained XML library. So we can import that in this link. So using the github.com, okay, the OpenCV our cascade you can download here the frontal default XML. We can use later the R cascade I.xml to detect also the I. Now let's go back to our codes. Okay, so we import that. Make it sure this R cascade upon downloading, you can save it in our folder. Okay, so our R cascade XML, and this is our the file name of our Python, so they are put on the same folder. Okay, and then let's capture a camera. We declare here a variable com. Let's initialize CV2 video capture, initialize to 0, and this is a loop that run if capturing has been initialized, while 1 means while true. Okay, this is the default declaration of variables using our OpenCV camera. So we have red. Okay, it's up to you to put any name, and then we have also img for image com.read. Com is came here, CV2 that video capture. Read, then let's convert to grayscale of each frame. So this is the same how we're going to convert image in C# or even in Visual Basics .NET. So we had already experienced almost the same. So gray cv2.cvt color img cv2.color vgr to gray, so almost the same C#. There are the same functionalities, only the D4 how we going to call and declare. Okay, multi-detection of faces from images. So you will use detect multi-scale, although you can use a single detection only. So faces, and then call face cascade. This is for the front our cascade frontal face default. So that is the trained library, and then gray 1.3 and 1.5. Okay, for x y w h in faces, it is for the faces. Let's draw a rectangle if face is detected. Okay, cv2 rectangle img, so that's for the image, x y, and then x plus width, y plus height. So 13,253,1 and 2. So this 13,253 and 1 here, these are the value of the RGB. So this is for red, this is for green, and this is for blue. So it's up to you to play with your RGB colors. So RGB colors start from 0 to 255, and 2 here is the thickness of the rectangle. And then RGB gray, okay, y plus h, x colon x plus width, okay, whatever be the face if it is detected, and then the color, okay, to be put, and then display image in the window while capturing, okay, using the cv2 im show. This is to display the image in the window, img im show, and then we have img, so it's up to you to put an instant or any name, okay, and then the name of the img, the what do you call this one, the declared variable here. And then close and stop camera upon pressing escape key. Okay, you cannot close even clicking the close button, the X button on the upper right corner unless you press the escape key. The escape key is equivalent to 27. This is the ASCII code for escape key. And then this is for hexadecimal location on the what they call this one, memory location. And then cam release, whenever we close the window, whenever we press the letter or the escape key in our keyboard, and all associated memory usage must be destroyed. Okay, and then let's save once again, and then let's run. Okay, let's run, guys. Okay, so starting our camera. There we go. Yan. So that's it. Okay, that is how we're going to detect the camera or detect faces using Python. Thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video.